just made it to Kanab, Utah, and we walked out to the Toadstool Hoodoo, and it's really cool sandstone formation from the wind, and it's eroding the rock below. We saw a bunch of different sizes of hoodoos, which was really cool, just seeing what they look like at different stages of the process. This is an 8 out of 10 attraction just because of how cool the hoodoos are and the beautiful landscape around. Feels like you're on a different planet. After checking those out, we decided to head on over to our next attraction. Parkour! Whoa!
Crazy!
That was so uneventful. This is a waste of my SD card storage. We just made it to the Nautilus. It's a sandstone formation. It's very cool. Kind of feel like I'm in a shell. I like the experience. I feel like this is a solid 7 out of 10 attraction. Definitely unique. Not worth going super out of your way to see, but if you're around the area, I'd say it's worth a stop. So maybe it's more like a 6.5 out of 10. No, yeah. The white wine is out and the shrimp is thawing. You know what that means? It's a shrimp scampi night. I've seen people crush garlic with their knives, but one time I tried doing that and then I cut myself, so this is our new way to crush it. And you know what, honestly, more effective, more safe. Please don't judge me for cutting this on a paper plate. I cannot be bothered to wash a cutting board right now. You know what? This is I'm in a truck camper. Okay, this is truck camper cooking, not Michelin star chef. One for zest. Little bit of oil. Ooh, that's a lot. Slab of butter. I'll let that melt. Red pepper flakes. This is just to kind of get the aromatics going. I think that's what the people call it. And then since we don't have parsley, because I'm stupid and forgot to buy it, we're going to just do some Italian seasoning here for those herbs. Another slab of butter. And then we're going to throw in our shrimp. Some of it's a little freezer burnt. That's fine. Don't tell anybody. The key here is to not cook the shrimp like all the way. Just cook it about like 70% done. So that way you can not worry about overcooking it when we add in the wine and we cook that. Okay, that looks about ready for the wine. So I'm just going to do, ow, that was hot. Yes, I'm using a mitt because my cups are over the heat right now, and so 1 cup, woo! I'm gonna bring that to a simmer. Going out in some lemon zest. Alright, final step. Combine. Don't even ask if I'm about to drain this. I will not be draining this pasta. Add all of our lemon juice. This is where we find out if I have any paper cuts. Okay, my camera died, but this is the final look. I added in more Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, more red pepper flakes. It looks kind of bland and not that great right now, but I promise it's good. What do we think? Give it a bite. Honest review.
Terrible. Really bad.
Not funny? Okay, so overall, it looks good. This is definitely one of my better scampis. I seasoned it a ton, and there's lots of lemon on it this time, so it's very flavorful. Packs a punch.